Hey y'all, it's your girl K Cash. Now I'm gonna show y'all a 1-minute video on how to install this in your kit of your nail and toes. You'll get a 10 fingernails, 10 toenails, cuticle oil, and you get your nice little lashes, and then you get your application stuff that you need for application as shown in the video above. Not 2 glue but 1, but I brought 2 glue because I like to see which one I like best. So anyways, in this, you see me twisting the tab of them off because you don't want to walk around with them clouds, baby. So you take them off, then you file the top off of each of individual toenail. So that way it can give you that real look and remove that little tabby stuff that you see. And it should look something like this. As y'all can see, girl, toes looking so pretty. Now, mind you, I am not a toenail fake person, but this was it. And then I did do my nails as well to match, you know. And your girl's looking bougie on a motherfucking budget, okay? This is it, y'all. I was wearing 3XL nails at home, custom made. Y'all shop with your girl. Hey, yes, y'all, I do go dibbling, dabbling in the beach. I was in the beach with my nails because I felt it. Like, you know, I'm not ever afraid to wear my nails outside anywhere I go because they're secure. For all I know, these are like I just went to the nail salon, sweetheart. So, yes, living my best life on a beautiful budget. So, come and shop with me. I really want to see you. Anyway, y'all, I'll make a better and detailed video with my next client I have coming in today on her toenail and her hands. I'll show y'all how I did that so y'all can have a better visual. TTYL, Tata for now. Follow me on social media.